Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you in Power app how to withdraw 401k. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to withdraw the selected funds, what you need to do first is simply head over and open up your Power app and then simply tap on the login button on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then once inside, be sure to be logged in. Then once logged in, what you need to do is navigate to withdraw. Look at the section for withdrawals or distributions. This is typically found under the manage account or withdrawals tab. Then next is to select withdrawal type from lump sum, which is withdraw your entire account balance, or partial withdrawal, which is withdraw a portion of your balance, and installments by setting up a periodic payments, which is monthly, quarterly, or etc. Then next is to choose your DDP method from a direct deposit, which is ACH, which transfers funds directly to your bank account, and then paper check or receiving a check mailed to your address. Next is to tax withholding. Mandatory federal withholding is typically 20%, and additional state taxes may apply depending on your residence, and you may also be subject to 10% early withdrawal penalty if you are under age of 59.5 unless an exception applies. Then lastly, review your selections and submit the withdrawal request. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.